Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review, in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. Alright guys, let's do this review for Review2Profit AI. And to start with, first of all, this is my own product launch. Okay, so this is launching on 5th of June on Friday. And this is my own product if I show you right here. So I am launching this on 5th of June and you can see the date and the time right here. Okay, so I'm going to do the review for this quickly, and below this YouTube video, you will find a link which says grab Review2Profit AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to this sales page. Okay. And then here we have a 9 minutes long demo video, which you have to watch to understand how this software works. Okay. So if you want those bonuses, because you will be buying directly from me, so the bonuses will have to be delivered manually by me. Okay, so what you need to do is once you buy your copy, then you have to email your proof of purchase, the receipt, whatever. Okay, and you have my email address in the beginning of this video. Remember when I was showing you the bonuses on the screen, there you had my email address. Okay, so click on the link below which says grab Review2Profit AI copy. Come to this sales page and then check out everything here. Then go and grab your copy, buy it. After that, take a photo or the screenshot of your receipt, the payment receipt. Okay, and then email that to me on the email address which you have in the beginning of this video on the screen. Okay, when I was discussing the bonus, right? and then I'll send you those bonuses manually to your email inbox, right? So let's do the review. It says create high converting affiliate review campaigns in seconds. Even if you have never made a sale online, stop struggling to write reviews, scripts, emails, and bonus pages. Now you can generate complete affiliate marketing campaign prompts in seconds, ready to use inside ChatGPT. No writing skills. So let me tell you in the very short description. It says here just enter product details, click generate, and get your full campaign details. Okay, I'll show the software right here. It's my own software, my own launch, review to profit, create high converting. What you're going to do is enter the URL of your choice here, product name, some keywords, the benefit, what the product does, and then choose these one of these from the drop down, and then click on generate campaign. I'm not showing you right now because we have shown that in the demo video already. Okay, so when you are on the sales page, play this demo video for 9 minutes in which I have explained completely how this dashboard works, and you can quickly generate prompts to generate your articles, YouTube scripts, and everything what we have mentioned on the sales page. Okay, and you will see all that practically in the demo video too. And then that's it. So let me show you what you will be getting. So how this works, first of all, step one is enter the product name we have shown you, then click generate campaign, and then you get prompts. So you will get those long automated generated prompts which you will copy and paste, or rather you will just click the button which says chat open chat gpt. Go and watch the demo video, then you will understand what I'm saying. Okay, so what do you get inside? You get affiliate review article prompts, you get YouTube video. So these things which you can generate using the software, six of them. One will be your article review, then will be your YouTube script, then it will be your email promo campaign, it will be bonus page prompt, it will be social media prompt. As you can see in the screen here, you see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go and check out the demo video so that you can see this live. And these images were generated using the prompt which was created using my software. Okay, so you can go and read out everything here. I will not take much of your time because you have to go and spend 9 minutes watching this demo video on the sales page as well. Okay, so go grab your copy from the link below directly from me. This is my product, my launch. Go and get it. And for bonuses, send me the receipt. You have the email in the beginning of the video. Send me your receipt and I'll send you the bonuses manually. And now let's go ahead and talk about how do I make money using other methods which we have discussed below this video. So make sure you grab your copy and watch the video till the end. All right, guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online. And below the video, you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro. So if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is Forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try Forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos. Nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years. As you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click the swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.